Hi everybody!
Today we are going to stir fry potatoes with beef.
The ingredients we're using today are showing on the top corner and description below. First of all, I prepare ginger and garlic. I slice ginger and then cut them into thin strips. Put them aside. Chop the garlic. Chop, chop, chop as finely as I can. Now I marinate beef. Put the sugar in, half seasoning powder, 1 the garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, pepper powder, ketchup, chutney, and chili. Mix the meat and spices well. Cover and place it in the fridge for about half an hour. I cut the onions into 8 parts. Put them in the plate. Sliced potatoes. The thickness should be 6 to 7 millimeters. Potatoes should not be sliced too thickly, or potatoes would not be able to cook evenly. But if sliced too thinly, when we stir fry them and they're about to crumble easily, they would not be tasty. Put them in the bowl of the salted water for about 5 minutes and then pour the water away. I put a saucepan on the hob. Turn on to high heat. Put in a tablespoon of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer. Add a third garlic. Turn the heat to medium. When the garlic is slightly yellow and you can smell fragrant, put the beef in the stir fry. Stir continuously to prevent the meat from burning because I use less oil. So I have to stir immediately. Less oil or fat used in cooking will reduce the risk of health problems, especially the cardiovascular system. When you see that there is some liquid in the saucepan separated from the beef, I turn off the heat and pour the beef into a clean bowl. I put a teaspoon of oil in the saucepan again. Turn on to medium heat. Add the rest of the garlic. When the garlic is fragrant, add the potatoes. Stir to make the potatoes solid. Put the rest of the seasoning powder into the potatoes. Stir continuously to let the potato seasoning without burning. Quickly put in a little water. It's about 100 milliliters, and the potato slices must lie in the water and then cover and simmer. In this time, don't go away. Keep an eye on it. If the water is shallow and the potatoes are not soft, you need to add some more water. When the potato cooked like this, put the white spring onion and onion into the mixture and stir them up. It will be better if the onion layers were separate before. After 1 minute, you see that the onion is slightly pale. I soak the potatoes evenly to absorb the beef juice. After 2 minutes, I put the meat back into the saucepan, stir them up. Then I add the ginger evenly. The ginger will make our dish more fragrant. Add liquid of 200 ml of cold water and 1 tablespoon tapioca flour or corn flour to stir until gravy boiling again and turn clear. You see, add the green spring onion, mix them up. Switch off the heat. Now I scoop them on the plate. You see, the slices of potatoes are not overcooked, not breaking down. Absorb the spices evenly along with the beef, just cooked to tender rather than chewy. Add a few slices of chili to make the dish more beautiful. You can eat with bread, or you can also eat with rice. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share for many people to see.